So I am going to be showing you guys how I do a fill using Modelones Polygel. I put this on here just now so that I can squeeze it down without having to push it like that to get it out. And this happened. So I'm gonna be doing my fill from this because I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste this because look at this color. That is why I do not want to waste it. So this has quickly become my favorite polygel, along with their base and top coat. Like, let me show you their brush. Their brush, I don't know, am I just late to the game? Look at it, it's rounded, so it gets down there really good. And I love that. So I already did a fill on this hand. Okay, let's start this over. This is how it looks right now because I need a fill. I need new lighting because this ain't working. Because you can't really tell. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, so I need a fill. I had this on since I did the other video, my last video. So it goes on so smoothly. It is crazy. I tried so many polygels and this one is actually my favorite, with the favorite color and the favorite. Yes, okay, sorry. I'm not hyping it up. I'm just hyping it up. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's just get started. I'm gonna go in with my base coat. I'm just gonna put it over my whole nail. Oh, basically what I did was file it to make it smooth, just so that I can put some more on top. Look at that. Oh my lord, that is amazing. Let's bring this light closer. Oh. Okay, so I am back and this is how it looks with the gel base coat on top. I forgot to tell you guys that I just basically, I prep my cuticles before I file to make it smooth and get ready to put some more polygel. So basically what I did, I just put some cuticle softener. I pushed my cuticles with this and I used a pumice stone for my cuticles. This, and I got all of that cuticle gunk, all of that nasty stuff off so it'll prevent lifting. So these polygel nails have been so good. I had them on for 2 weeks and I am in love. It is amazing. I thought that it was gonna be like about the same as the gel, the builder gel, but it's actually not. I feel like it's way better because they're thinner than the builder gel and they're stronger. So if I had the builder gel with this much thickness, it will still be able to bend. This one, it's, oops, I'm shaking it. It's amazing. So I'm just going to get, this is already on there. I have this much. I'm going to just rub it on my nail. And you see I'm rubbing it and it's not stringy. It's not stringy. I tried another one and I rubbed it on, not my nail, I rubbed it on a fake nail because I was just swatching them. And it was stringy. I rubbed it like this and it was like and I'm like, oh, did I just spoil myself to Modelones or what? So I'm going to get some polygel down there and just smooth it on up, because I don't want too much at the cuticle. I just want to give a little bit at the cuticle so that it's not bare, but that's my little boy, but still have it thin, because when I put my dip powder on top, I still want my cuticle area to be nice and thin. So I'm just gonna get a little more from my little mistake. I'm gonna waste so much, it's so sad. Do you guys have any tips to where you would put this so you can keep it? Has anybody else ever done this? I was so sad. I don't want to waste it. It's so this is how it looks now that I put more product and basically gave like a little feel. The thing is that I don't want too much, but I guess I can put more because I'm gonna file it a little bit. But really, I feel like all I need to do is buff it, because the way that it's going on so smooth, like I did not file these. I did not file these or buff these or anything, and this is how smooth they are. I can leave them just like this and file the sides. Like that is how smooth they are. This is incredible. So I'm going to cure these and show you how they look when they get out the cooker. They're basically gonna look the same, and that's how I do my fill. That's how I did it on this hand, and it's amazing. So this is how it is now that I took it out of the cooker. I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and I'm just going to wipe this sticky off. My little boy's watching Paw Patrol. This is how they look. So basically, I guess this is a simple, short, and sweet video. So, and now I'm going to do some filing across the top because it's kind of, I don't know if you can see it. And then I'm gonna put base coat, top coat, and then my peel base so that I can do my dip powder. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching how I do a fill with my poly gel. And yes, tell me below what's some favorite colors of yours from Modelones Poly Nail Gel. Of the Modelones Poly Nail Gel. If you guys tried Modelones, what is your favorite color? Because I'm gonna get me some more. I want to try some more colors, even though I know that this one is going to be a favorite forever. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye!